I'm going to give you a strategy into this week's Tuesday tips that could literally 10x your business. It's a simple strategy and all you have to do is implement it. So check this out. Homeowners have right now more equity than they've ever had. And you might be saying to yourself, yes, I already know that. And they know that to some extent. But here's the thing. Do they know what to do with that equity? So let me show you. What you do is this. You make phone calls to your entire database. You time block each day, whether that's a half hour, an hour, 2 hours, depending on the size of your database, to call in and check in with your clients. See how they're doing, see if there's any changes in their employment, changes in their plans, and then say, hey, do you want to know how much equity you currently have? That's the question. Because even though they have access to Zillow and other online tools, they really don't know. And only you, as their real estate agent, have the commercial level tools to give them an accurate analysis that, hey, if we were to sell your house today, this is how much we could sell for. How much do you owe? Bam, there's your equity. That's the question. So let me give you a couple of key graphics here, and I'm going to show you after that, I'm going to show you what to say to get them into action. So starting with, let's look at percent of home price in the last 5 years. 57.4% change upwards in the last 5 years. And in Texas, it's 50.7. So for anybody that's owned their home for a while, that's a huge, huge increase. And if we look at this has also changed. People are staying in their homes longer. So the median tenure from 85 to 08, it was 6 years was the average. But from 09 to 2023, it's gone up to 9.2 years. So we've had people are in their homes longer, and we had a huge price increase. And this is your chance to call. But how do you get them to take action on that? The next step is after you show their equity is this. You start asking them some questions. And I'm going to share this with you. Right now, consumer debt is the highest level it's been in a long time. So all of your clients, you know what they're going to have? They're going to have credit card debt. They could have student loans. They could have auto loans, maybe debt consolidation loans, maybe seconds, all kinds of things that's eating away their cash flow. And that's when you could get into the conversation. Hey, have you ever considered tapping into this equity to restructure your finances? And they're going to say, well, yes, but I have a 2.5% interest rate or a 3.5% interest rate, and I'm really worried about the interest rates. And then to which you say, yes, I know. However, the interest rates on all your other debt are significantly high, 10, 15, and in credit card debt, it's going to be 20 to 29%. And that's eating away at your cash flow and your net worth. What if we did a mortgage plan in which we sold the house, paid off all the debt, and used the rest of the proceeds to go buy the next house? And if they're looking to make a move, that can justify the higher payment or their perception of the higher payment and the higher interest rates, because now we worked all their debt. And I'm literally doing this, guys, probably once or twice or 3 times a month, where that's the particular strategy we're using. Sell the house, restructure the debt, buy a new house, end up with the house they want with significantly better cash flow, all by you calling and saying, have you ever wondered how much equity you currently have in your house? It's a winning strategy if you put it to use. Thanks so much. And I can help you and your clients convert them into an excited buyer and seller by building a mortgage plan with the equity they have. So please feel comfortable reaching out. I'll take great care of them, and I hope you have a great day.